There's no shortage of amazing places to explore in Singapore, but if you're looking for a truly unique experience, you have to check out Chinatown. From the colorful lanterns to the mouth-watering street food, you won't be disappointed.
Alright everyone, we finally got checked into our hotel in Singapore. We are here staying nearby in Chinatown. Singapore is a very, very expensive city. If you're living in the US but aren't in the biggest cities, it can get pretty expensive here. So right now we're kind of just walking into the Chinatown market area where they've got like a lot of random shops and restaurants, a lot of the touristy items that you can buy as souvenirs.
Singapore is known for its stunning architecture, bustling streets, and delicious cuisine. But there's one neighborhood that truly stands out from the rest: Chinatown. From the moment you arrive, you'll be greeted by a kaleidoscope of colors, smells, and sounds that will awaken your senses and leave you wanting more.
So back when I was a missionary, I had the chance to live in Malaysia for 2 years. Malaysia and Singapore were part of like the same mission. Unfortunately, I never got to live in Singapore, although it was the place that I wanted to live the most. So it always feels nice to come back here and explore a little bit, you know, get a feel for what it's like to live here. It actually reminds me a lot of Hong Kong. Like it has the same feel. Look at this car, this is insane.
Singapore Chinatown has a rich history that dates back to the early 19th century. It began to take shape in the 1820s when Chinese immigrants started arriving in large numbers to work in the growing trading hub that Singapore was at the time. It has been extensively restored and preserved in recent years and is now a popular destination for tourists and locals alike who come to enjoy the food, culture, and history of this iconic neighborhood. Today, Chinatown remains a vibrant and important part of Singapore's cultural heritage. It has been extensively restored and preserved in recent years and is now a popular destination for tourists and locals alike who come to enjoy the food, culture, and history of this iconic neighborhood.
Just found a bunch of birds here in Chinatown that everyone's fascinated by. Hi. How's that mango?
Or they're sweeter with every bite.
So just like every Chinatown you go to, whether you're in San Francisco, New York, you've got these areas where you've got the elderly people playing Chinese chess, mahjong, and I feel like you usually got like someone performing some live music as well. So they have another food market over here. It looks like it's closed. I've eaten here before and I've gotten like a mala shangguo or something, which is like a really, really spicy bowl of stuff. So very similar to Hong Kong, you've got like these food courts that are like in the middle of like shopping centers, and they sell like all kinds of stuff. You just like go sit down at the table, you can order whatever you want, and they bring it out to you. And in my opinion, some of the best food is actually at these hawker centers, just like this. So there's a lot of durians out here in Chinatown and it smells really good. I actually really like the smell of durian. Some people don't like it, but I think it's, maybe I'm just like used to the taste, and so I can pick up the notes of the taste from the smell. I know Karina and Simon still haven't tried durian, so you know, hopefully we can at least convince Simon to try it. He's refused to try durian. Alright, anyway, we're walking to one of the famous temples. I think it's what, the Buddha Tooth or something? Buddha Tooth temple. It's closed at the moment, but I don't think we have time to come back, so I thought it would be cool to see, at least at night. If we have time, we'll come back tomorrow and go on the inside. So this building behind me is the temple. It looks really nice actually. It's like a very beautiful building. I think this is probably something I do want to come back and visit maybe tomorrow or something. Right behind the temple, you've got the skyline of the central business district. It's like, got a lot of really impressive architecture that you don't really see anywhere else in the world. think the last place we're gonna go to today is Don Don Donki, and there's one that's like pretty close, I think, like 0.2 miles from here. Oh, what is this? Take a look at this. I ate not too long ago, but I'm feeling like hungry again because of all the food that I'm seeing. There's like so many like grilled meats, Japanese like steaks, a lot of Korean food, a lot of barbecue. It looks really, really nice. All right, I think we're pretty close to Don Don Donki. I think it's in this mall across the street. When I was in Hong Kong, Don Don Donki was like the place I went for all the snacks. A lot of like nice Japanese products. This mall is like called like at 100 or something. They have so many like Japanese products in here, Japanese restaurants. Don Don Donki covers these 2 floors, and they've got a Daiso over there. It seems like a lot of interesting stuff over here. Wow. Being here, I have to really put a lot of restraint on myself to not buy too much because we're only here for a few days and you can't bring all this back to Malaysia with us. Without a gym. You don't have a gym? Just buy this bicep curler. Or actually no, this is for wrist.
Forearm? Looks like forearm.
Yeah, it's forearm. What do you think, Karina?
It's good so far. I've never seen a lot of this stuff before. Yeah, it's good.
Yeah, there's a lot of snacks in here that are like you can't find anywhere else. Not very common in America or wherever. But yeah, this is like a 0% beer. I think I tried this before actually in Salt Lake. It's not bad. This is one I accidentally tried in Hong Kong. I didn't realize, because I don't typically drink alcohol, but I bought this in Hong Kong not knowing that it was beer. I thought it was just like a cola or something. So I drank half of it and I was like, this tastes like alcohol. And I looked at the can and I was like, oh shoot. I actually really like these like sours. These are pretty good. Alright, just finished up at the first floor of Don Don Donki. You're gonna go up to the second floor now and check it out. I think hopefully they have like more of the like produce and like sashimi over there. When I was in Hong Kong, sometimes late at night they would get the discount sashimi, and I would take this home like back to my apartment and have it for dinner. One thing I'll say is that the Don Don Donki here is probably more pleasant to shop in than the one in Hong Kong. The one in Hong Kong plays the same song, Don 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 Donki, over and over and over. Like, it gets so annoying after you're in there for like more than like 10 minutes. This one, they've got like a variety of like different Japanese music playing. Alright, this upper floor has got a lot of like the produce and all the cooked foods that I like. Decent price, I think, for a lot of nice Japanese foods. And at nighttime, they do give them like a discount, 20% off for those. Yeah, these ones they've been like sitting out the whole day, and so they discount it, yeah. Squid. Oh, look at these mochi. 20% off of that, so that's $8.90. Oh, $8.90 for like how many pieces is that? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 pieces. These ones look good too. It's a salmon, but what is this? I've never had sashimi and yeah, check out the marbling on this block here. Look at that salmon. A lot of food you're grabbing, Simon.
Yeah. Well, we're all gonna share it.
We're all gonna share? Alright. Alright, I'm about to run out of battery, so I'm gonna take the things we've bought home and then show you all the stuff we got. Alright, we just got back from Don Don Donki. You can see we've got probably a little bit too many salmon sashimis. We got this one, got this one, got this one. That's like, yeah, 3 different salmon sashimis. That's a lot. We got some crab meat. I think this is real crab meat. I can't tell. It might be, yeah, give that a try. See if that's the real one. There's 4 pieces in there, right? Let me try a piece here too. It looks real. I think. I don't think so. I think this is real. Yeah, I think this is real king crab. Yeah, should be real. So that crab is pretty good. Let's see what else we got. Got the squid karage. I'll steal one of these real quick. Yeah, a little old, a little tough, but it still works. It's not too expensive. This one here is scallop. Very juicy. A little bit fishy, but it's really good. All right, anyway, I think we've really had a pretty good time for our first day in Singapore. Pretty impressive place. Anyway, guys, thanks for watching. Hit the like and subscribe button, and I'll see you in the next one.
Let's go.